Yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome. Today's video we're going to be making slime.
So basically we're going to be making a big batch of slime, and then we're going to be adding different colors and glitters and sands into it, and just kind of teach you how to effectively implement each ingredient.
Equipment we will use: a large bowl, glue, another bowl for our solution, borax. We will also use paints, decorations for our slime such as stars, fluffs, sequins, sands, and white beads. We will also use 2 measuring cups, one for the water, one for the borax, and a jar of water. First step will be to add a half of teaspoon of borax solution into your bowl. We do not have a half a teaspoon, so we use 2 1/4. We will also next add water. The ratio is 1 cup of water for every half a teaspoon of borax. Stir the solution together until the borax is no longer seen.
If you want to make a larger batch like we are, fill the large bowl with a pretty good amount of glue. Include our borax solution. So we're going to add a tablespoon at a time, probably like 2. After you add a few tablespoons of borax solution to your glue, you're just going to stir a lot. And you're going to keep stirring. And you're going to stir some more until you see the glue start pulling from the sides of the bowl. You might have to add more and more solution as you go. Careful not to add too much in the beginning, as it is a chemical reaction and takes some time to complete. Once your slime is not sticking to the sides of the bowl anymore, dip your fingers in the remaining solution and take the slime out of the bowl. Then you want to carefully knead the slime, pulling and stretching it from different directions until you reach the consistency you want. Ready to go! Now it's time to decorate. We are going to be adding blue paint first into our big bowl. Take a small section of the slime, or the whole section of the slime if you want to just make one big batch. And then we're going to put our slime into the bowl and begin stirring. Then place the slime into the bowl of sand with this.
Mind the coloring of the blue from the last slime, as the purple will mix with the blue. For our next slime, we will be taking purple paint and pouring it into our bowl. As we did for the first slime, dip your hands in the solution so you can knead the slime perfectly. Keep mixing the slime with the paint until the paint is perfectly mixed. Next, we'll be adding stars to the slime so we can get a nice galaxy look. We're chasing stars, After I then realized I spilled slime on my shirt, I then took some fluffs and mixed it to the slime. And to finally complete the look of the second slime, I added some pink glitter.
Yeah, that's first.
Is that Bobby? Bobby, is that you?
Our third slime is our cottage cheese slime. The first step is to add the little clear beads that we showed you in the beginning into the bottom of your big bowl, and it's important that you put those in first. The second step is to put the remainder of your slime into the bowl. Once they're all incorporated, take the slime out of the bowl and start kneading it. It will be a little sticky because the solution needs to be a little bit more sticky to keep all the beads in place. Showing the cottage cheese. Yum! Look at that yummy cottage cheese. Don't you just want some? Delish.
Warning. Contents in this video are not edible.
Ready? Now it's time for the grand finale. Our first slime and most favorite slime is the cottage cheese slime. To freedom! Looks just like something you got out of your fridge. For our second slime, Seaside Blue.
Good morning.
It's nice and feels like sand. It also stretches really nice. For our third slime, Twilight Sparkle Slime. Boom! It's purple, it's crunchy. You now know how to make 3 different textures of slime from the same base.
Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below which one was your favorite slime. Would you like cottage cheese, seaside blues, or Twilight Sparkle?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to make slime.
Have a good day, everyone. Bye! I'm lying. Crazy.
Do you want to get bullied and lit?
It's okay. She is so cool.
Come back next week. We will be turning our dogs into Visco girls.
Watch they come back like, where the video at? We're in Canada. It's December right now.
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
First person to add them on Snapchat gets the free slime. Or gets the mystery slime. I don't know if someone will know who the first person was. So like, we just don't have to give it to anyone.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Have a good day, everyone. Bye. Oh, you gotta say it together.
Bye!
Thanks for watching. Bye.
But you're gonna include the part where I told them not to follow me.
This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart.